Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix power button not working in Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using Galaxy A25 and you're facing the issue that in your phone your power button isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, if your power button is not working, so and you want to restart your phone, you don't need to use your power button. You just have to scroll down, click on this power icon, and click on restart. Because sometimes it might be a software glitch or a technical error due to your power button not working. After a restart, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to check if your power button is physically damaged or not, because sometimes it might be if your power button is physically damaged, so you are unable to use your power button. So now to fix this issue, you just have to go to settings app. Now if you want to turn on your phone, like if your phone is turned off, so you can plug in charger, you can insert charger in your phone. After inserting charger, just repeatedly press your volume button. It might be volume down or volume up. Your phone will be powered on, like if your phone is powered off. So you can rapidly press this volume button to power on your phone. But if you're on your home screen and you're facing the issue, like you want to screen, or like you want to turn off your screen or turn on your screen like this, but your power button isn't working, so you are unable to do that. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to go to settings here. So you can enable double tap gesture, like if you are using your Samsung phone, your power button isn't working, so you can double tap on your screen to turn it off, or on your, if your screen is turned off, so you can double tap on it to turn it back on. So let's see how can you enable this. You have to go to settings, and in settings go to advanced features, and here go to motions and gestures, and you have to enable this. Double tap to turn off screen and double tap to turn on screen. And once you have enabled these both, now whenever you are on your home screen or your lock screen and you want to turn off your screen, you can double tap on your screen anywhere to turn it off. Or if your screen is turned on, so you can double tap on it to turn it off. But you can also enable this one. Once you have enabled, now if your screen is turned off, so whenever you try to lift your phone or you try to raise your phone screen will be automatically turned on. You can easily use this one, but these both are perfect for this. You just have to double tap on your screen to turn it off and double tap on your screen to turn it on. So in this way, you can easily use your phone if your power button is working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.